Damn, I like them girls. I like them white girls and them big asses and shit. Shit, I'm on YouTube. I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry, but fuck it. They're niggers.
Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you.
Oh, man.
I'm just saying, who uses the UMP-45 with a fucking silencer, yo? That nigga was using it with a silencer last game.
Yeah, it's good to use a silencer on your guns, but to prove.
It's fucking hardcore. I ain't gonna see your shit anyways.
Yeah, you will. You can. Before you spawn in, you can see where enemies are who's not using suppressors. Only when the game is going, you can't really see them.
Well, you know what? I guess that's how. I guess somebody's gonna sit on the screen and wait for me to shoot there.
No, like before I spawn in, I can see where enemies are shooting.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You gonna sit and wait and see when I shoot. I'm not gonna shoot till you fucking back.
I'm using M4. I'm going full metal.
Weed, but I don't get paid till Wednesday. This is the longest I've gone without no weed, man. I had this bitch come over here last night. She smoked me blunt, man. It's some bullshit.
Did she give you some of the thing?
Huh?
Did she give you some of the good?
I just wanted to get high, you know what I'm saying?
East of your current position.
Grow some trees, man.
What the fuck?
Hey, claim out this back door, motherfuckers. Better watch yourself as you step, right? Hardcore, remember, claim out the back door. To enter into Delta, there's a claymore.
He's low. Sniper high in the window, I mean. Sniper high in the
guy in the house, guy in the house, guy in the house.
Shit.
Objective Delta has been neutralized.
Got one in the house. I'm in Delta.
Oh, I think this guy just killed. My bad. My bad.
Objective Delta
Okay, I got one guy over here.
Attack this objective.
What the fuck? Oh, Blueberry, you do that shit. You scare the shit out of me. I'm just about to shoot you in the face. Both of us looking at each other with a gun drawn, looking at each other like, what?
Next time one of us down start a squad. Hey, dude.
Oh shit!
We have neutralized objective Delta.
A robot. There's a robot. The operator must be near.
What type of fence you need, though?
Okay, I want to go past the robot.
The operator must be nearby.
We've taken objective Echo.
Oh, my shit lagging, look.
You're laggy. I'm good.
This is Muhammad the Safa,
Oh,
man.
my enemy found my claymore. At least it didn't kill the friend.
Who breaks y'all at?
I'm at C.
I'm gonna go into Delta.
Hold on. I'm coming to Charlotte.
Alright, make your way fast, man.
Here's your ammo. Pick it up.
Figure out which way. Hold on, True. I'm on my way to you.
I'm 90 meters out. Oh, guy right in the road. Times three. Damn! The LMG right on my body. We ain't got no weed.
Me.
Me who?
Yeah, she true.
Listen, nigga, listen.
You know me, I usually have weed.
I'm talking this shit. Make you mad,
I
huh?
got a rope. No, I got a rope.
Make you mad. Well, I'm both smoking weed, not giving me none.
Objective Echo.
I'm gonna put a claymore at the same door again. This house right at the back right here.
Shut up, you just mad because your wife ain't giving you no pussy.
What? You're damn right. 2 months I've not seen her ass for.
Damn, you haven't seen them booty shits for 2 months?
Yeah, when she comes, she knows she's gonna feel it. She's gonna feel the pressure. I'm going Bravo.
She barely,
Guy coming down the left side. Oh shit! This bitch right there. Step outside and find that claymore. Nice kill, Lord. That's the bitch.
I need help.
Hey, we're gonna need a medic team. A medic guy on the
that
team.
makes me heal.
Yeah.
We're gonna need a medic. We're gonna need a medic.
Wow. I'll run medic. Okay. Some you guys, I'll run medic.
We're gonna need 2 medics. We're not gonna come back as a medic. We're gonna need a ammo guy though.
I'm an ammo guy now.
Yeah, we're gonna need your ammo. We're gonna come back as a medic when I die. Oh shit. Talk too soon. That same guy killed Lord is right on the right hand side. That that Tony Yayo from the 50 Cent crew.
Where is he?
I don't know. He's hardcore.
Dead.
Alright, come back as a medic. I'm gonna use a M16 with a heavy barrel, and then I'm gonna put take off the tackle line.
Without you, make me feel like I have some.
Alright, where you guys at?
That's fine.
There's a med back for you guys. I hear footsteps. Hey, guy coming up staircase. Sniper, 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 sniper. Fucking hell, what's wrong with my hand? That's kill, Lord. Damn, man. Shoot that motherfucker my gun when we climb up for them. I'm just aiming up in the fucking ground and shit.
You say that I'm a dog, but you ain't shit.
Damn.
Oh, there's a dude on top.
Which way you going, squad dude? Which way you going? A guy in the train, guy in the train.
Train.
Yo, he caught
Got
bullets,
his
he caught
ass.
bullets.
Right through the fucking of the train, right through the fucking track and the tank. I got his ass. Why have I got this fucking Canton eyesight on for? Oh shit, here's that thing I need. I see the other train, I see the other train track. Come on, jump up! So you see us. Onto the grenade launcher. I want to master that grenade launcher. We got a tank up there, man. And a sniper shooting the shit at us. Oh, we scared the shit out of him.
Ammo.
Where's the sniper at, bro? This nigga's pissing me off.
Yeah, I know. And the tank is on the train track, Lord. Get out of that fucking thing and move. That sniper is shooting shit. I don't even know where the hell he is. I'm pushing into Charlie.
There's a tank.
I'm hiding from that tank. God damn it. Sniper right on my body. Let's get some infidels. Infidels! Oh, Blueberry's dead right here. Don't go to the light, I got you. Welcome. Oh shit, another guy dead again. Hang in there, hang in there, hang in there, hang in there. Med back for you. Guy behind this wall, dude. Fuck him up, Blueberry. Fuck him up. I'm going on the other flank.
Damn it.
Bitches.
Yeah,
Lay the fuck down. Is that triple?
Where you at, Rambo?
I'm on Charlie.
I'm trying to make it so.
Oh shit, hang in there guys, hang in there, don't go to the light, don't go to the light.
Here's your med kit. Pick it up.
Behind me.
Objective Charlie has just been
RPG to my face.
Where y'all spawning at?
Yeah, Bravo.
Bravo. Bravo it is.
We need a recon.
Quad bike. Fucking move. Holy shit. I shot him off and he run over the fucking guy. Can I revive him? Where's his body? Oh shit.
They're coming over the train tracks.
Yeah.
Took off this tank
I'll be
light.
only 6 now.
Talk lighted.
There appears to be an enemy tank located south of your pause.
What the hell are you using? A pea shooter?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you big heavy magnum. Oh shit, grenade. Where the hell did that come from? Who chopped that shit?
Like I put it now.
Tank chain chop.
Yeah, I know. The shell just flew up my fucking head. Yeah, this really checking.
Like I can't see your ass, bitch. That tank is pushing in on you guys.
I know, I'm talking to
confused.
C4 on the field.
See a sniper. I want you to attack, bitch. Snap this motherfucker. Oh, the friend spawning on you on the ticket attack. That's bullshit.
Where y'all at, fellas? Oh, shit.
Bravo.
I'm over here by this fucking tank.
Check them out.
Why you shoot that next to me?
Oh, Blueberry.
Tank on the road.
Spotted a hostile tank.
I'm calling it altitude. What else do you need?
Yo, this nigga.
Objective Alpha.
This motherfucking Blueberry to sit there and watch him doing shoot me.
See through, I couldn't get to you in time.
I see the light.
Damn, man.
Who's sniping?
He was right by the freaking fences. By the container on the outside of Alpha. The sniper, just by the container.
I can't pick you up, nigga.
Oh fuck, they're hiding in the holes and sniping the shit out of her. Behind it.
Oh shit. Nah, I see him.
Hey Lord, I'm gonna use the... Should I use the mirror's leg? Hey Lord, you need to use the mirror's leg, dude.
Use the mirror's leg on him.
Hey, that's what you need to use to master that shit. That's the most difficult handgun to master. I'm gonna use a spin barrel. I'm gonna use the Magnum.
I think what I'm asking my
Desert Eagle.
how. Yeah.
I've not used the 4.4 Magnum for a long time. Okay, I'm squad leader now. We're going Charlie.
I need you to attack this
Who
objective.
killed you? Who killed? Who the fuck killed you?
Some dude, he's dead.
No, it's not. It's not. Get ready. He's across. Fuck, he got me. Two of us to the HE launcher. I saw his ass just as I pick you up. I tried to get my gun as I aimed to shoot. Boom. I saw the round coming in. I couldn't even move. Yeah. See me, lad. Get ready to move. Get up and move. Head for cover. Med pack right behind you. Right here.
Go get it.
I'm down, Claymore.
Find a blueberry claymore.
Yeah.
Life sucks. There's a guy right in front of us somewhere.
In the fucking bus.
That fucking sniper guy, man, frozen socks. Where the fuck is he hiding?
He's in the bus.
In the bus. Alright, let's go get him. Where did we spawn?
Stupid cum doesn't suck fucking.
The guy's coming in on us, Lord. Watch yourself. Go kill Washy Jonesy.
Here's your med kit. Pick it up.
What bus? What bus? What bus,
The
Lord?
one
What
right here by
bus?
the fucking tank. Oh shit. No, he by the train tracks.
He's not a sniper no more. He got a different gun now.
Yeah.
You pick up somebody's glass. Fucking level 27. Got me 4 times now. There he is. Payback, motherfucker. I knew that was you. I knew that was you. I got a sniper again. Look at you. Look at you. You fucked up.
Here's your man.
Hey, we got a guy in the house. Another sniper. Oh shit! Here's some medic. Do it, Lord! Ah, you idiot! Why
There's
you
two behind you.
Why you kill me? There's nobody behind me. You just killed me.
Yes, it was.
I'm looking at the kill feed. Didn't kill nobody, dude. Oh, shit.
I was getting shot by 2 people.
No, I shot you by accident. I thought you were an enemy and I give you a med pack. I said, oh shit, sorry, here's a med pack. And you just empty the fucking assault right your fucking LMG on me.
Oh.
There's your med kit. Go
Oh,
get
you
it.
got sniped just as I came in this train trap, dude. There you go, get up. Get up. Sniper right there.
I told you.
He's dead. Well, that guy was by the freaking statue thing right here. Monist, whatever it is.
Wow.
Oh, yay. I never know there was 2. I thought there was only 1. Shooting at 1 and the frozen socks got me again. Where you guys at? See you, I see you.
Alpha fighting the tank.
There's a medic for you right there, see you.
We just lost objective Alpha.
They shoot on him like a fucking man. He hit a fucking blunt.
He's quiet.
He's right. Hey man, I'm about to be seeing a $1,500 check on Wednesday, so I
Objective Alpha is now in our control.
Number 106.
Enemies in the passage. Fucking nade. Oh, come on, that damn frozen socks again. Medic, I'm down.
Frozen socks got me too, dude.
Straight up,
Follow me,
better
I'm
than
in the
hacker.
same spot.
Level 27. Where is he at? 26 and 10. Oh, fucking hacker.
You said 26 out of 10. What would have happened?
Got your ass, frozen socks. Fuck you, 26 and 10.
I need a medic bag.
I'm sorry. Oh, blueberry, lucky. There's a med bag around here, Lord. Come by me. There's a med bag. Oh shit.
He brought me one. He brought me one.
Grenade launcher coming in. Robot.
Oh shit.
Guys, I'll be right back. I made that. Give me a second. I'll be right back.
Here what?
Yeah, nigga, that's that shit I don't know.
Oh, I was negative. Ah.
I'm pretty sure I went negative too. No, I went positive. By 3.
I wouldn't have went negative for fucking Blueberry. There's number 2 when it shot me. On several fucking occasions.
Tell these nigga had me fucking last match. Yeah, my number. Man, I tell you, I had this one white bitch last night. She had a big ass booty. I'm not gonna lie.
Man, I shouldn't have told that little boy my little brother.
No Lambo. I know he hear me.
They said be right back.
Oh, that's you munching on that motherfucking food?
Mm-hmm.
Shit.
I got the munchies, man. Shit, I'm tired.
I got the munchies too.
Hey, how much did I get on that last round?
Not enough, you suck. Man, are you fucking serious?
What map is this? Oh Lord, this is our map. Lord, this is our map.
I'm going in with a tank first.
Should I go with yeah. Elo. Left side, just above Delta on the hill mountain. Back up a bit, you see him. Back up a bit. They're going for the attack Elo. They're going for the attack Elo. That's a good snipe from right here. There's a guy up there. Where the hell did he go? I see him.
I spotted a hostile sniper east of your position.
Where the hell is he? Hey, what's that range from here to there? About 300.
Be advised, I have eyes on an enemy tank south of your location.
My gun was.
Try to put a beacon down somewhere.
We've taken objective Echo.
Son of a bitch.
Bitch ass niggas fucking sniping, hiding his bitch ass face.
We just lost control of objective Echo.
I'm sniping. Fuck.
Huh?
I said I'm sniping. Fuck them.
I'm about to fight you.
There's a sniper east of your current position. There's enemy sniper north of your position. Be advised, we've neutralized objective Bravo.
I ain't seen nobody on that hill. Just have to move in on the other side of Alpha.
I advise a hostile sniper north of your position.
I wish you guys heard my be right here.
Affirmative.
Come on, hold it steady. I hear a tank. Oh, friend.
We've just neutralized objective Delta.
Where the hell did that guy go? You lucky piece of shit, come back. Fuck! Who got him? Keep moving from front driver to passenger, driver to passenger.
I advise an enemy tank south of your position. I need repairs. We've just taken control of objective Foxtrot.
No, I can't jump over that shit.
We neutralized objective Delta. Listen up, I've spotted the hostile heavy armor due east of where you are. We have taken objective Delta.
Got you, I don't care if I died.
He said I got you and I don't care if I died.
You got two of them in the tank, innit? I'm gonna run on snipe. I'm gonna run on snipe times 8 and 4 times 4.
Okay, let's go.
There's somebody in the house?
No, I don't think so.
Objective
Oh, that
Delta
tank
is now
keeps shooting
under our
it.
control.
As if there's somebody in there.
Objective Alpha is neutralized. Objective Alpha is under our control. East of your current position, there is a light armored vehicle. We've neutralized Objective Alpha. Copy. Yes.
Foxtrot.
Alright, thanks.
Come on, Delta 2.
We've taken Objective Delta. Many thanks. Objective Echo is neutralized.
Holy shit, Blueberry, you lucky piece of shit. I almost shot you in the face.
Ребята, we now have taken control of Objective Echo.
Fuck was he? My guy sniped me from inside, Lord. I don't know where the hell he is. Must be on the inside up top.
We've taken Objective Charlie. That's where you are. There appears to be half-out sniper.
I'm gonna take a venture and another peek. Oh, he's upstairs. He's upstairs, inside on the right.
Objective Echo has been lost.
Can't see them so good up there, so fucking dark.
There's hostile enemy sniper south of your position.
There's one guy. Holy shit. They're up top. They're up top. Scope is too strong.
Objective Foxtrot has been lost. To east of your current position, there's enemy dig.
Thanks for the ammo. Thanks for the ammo, dude. Thank you very much.
Listen upstairs. We have control of Objective Echo.
Fuck, got me in the corner. Impact him. Bitch. Ah! Dude, I went in and I took about, say, 6. To change my sniper scope. Something more movable around. Where the fuck is shooting at? across. Watch out the line of fire. Move out the line of fire, Blueberry. Move your fucking head.
Right here, come repairs.
They got right that doorway over there.
Now control objective.
Oh fuck, I fell off. Shit! Ah! I do believe I fell off and the fucking tank killed me. Right on the tank I fell. Bullshit. There's that guy on my beacon.
Just west of where the hostile base. Objective Foxtrot is now under our control. Sniper, south of where you are.
Come on, pop your head out again, bitch. I see you. I see you. I see you. Pop your head out. Please pop it out again. Pop it out one more time.
Heavy armor located south of your current position.
Which is right there, and it's right there. Right freaking there. Oh shit, right side. Oh shit. Whoa! RPG to the chest, dude. Yeah, fucking. Just in case they pick your ass up. And you're going to the light.
Lost Objective Alpha. Objective Alpha has been lost. South of your location, there appears to be enemy machine gunners.
Upstairs on Bravo. Upstairs on Bravo. Oh, come on. What the f I can't go up this shit.
Ребята, we now control Objective Delta.
Hey, careful of the shooting. Friendly coming through. Friendly, friendly, friendly. Friendly, friendly. Friendly! Fucking hell! God damn! Jesus Christ! Oh, I'm alive, but damn! Jesus! I went on the back plan, kill a guy. Come on, fucking hell! Loads of gunfire coming in from where all of us were. The guy across. The guy's across. Shit, Nate. Losing Foxtrot.
I say again, I've spotted a hostile LAV south of your location. Objective Foxtrot is lost.
I hear a tank. Shit.
Вижу, вражеский танк.
Man, these niggas is shooting me behind covers and shit like that. I'm fucking done with this. I wanna go to bed.
There's an enemy machine gunner east of your location.
They don't know what?
We just
I need backup on Foxtrot.
Men, listen up! We now have control of objective Foxtrot!
Get the fuck out of here, bro. This bone KTK bitch ass.
Let me heal you! Objective
There's some
Echo
there.
has been lost.
Oh fuck! I see you
I've located a hostile aircraft.
in the wrong place at the wrong
Position.
time.
I need repairs for my vehicle.
Whoa!
Hussein. Wow.
Oh shit! Got right by me, right on my body, right on my body. You got the big bird. I think they found
Oh,
my
I didn't
beacon.
get you.
To find another way in.
We have to work. We are.
Where the fuck are these niggas hiding at?
Oh, sorry, I didn't hear you clearly.
Alright, pick out one of the bluebirds.
Alright, no problem. Do that right now. Okay, space is there. You almost killed me.
No, I didn't.
Star Lord. Am I no Star Lord?
Squiggy.
Nigga. Oh shit. Hey, gotta kick somebody else out.
Squiggy on the wrong team anyways.
Oh.
Someone's.
Oh, okay. Well, you just do target practice. Alright, good. Rambo?
Oh shit, tank. Almost killed me.
Where you get the time, sir?
I just did. I didn't pick it up. I'll do it again. Give me a second. I want this tank to kill me and they're driving reckless. Okay, I make room now. Go.
We've just taken control of objective Echo.
Атаковать эту цель сразу же!
Hostile vehicle
Committed
south.
suicide, guys. They know me. I don't know why, but I'm still thinking about that bitch's ass last night.
Give her a call again, man.
I ain't gonna call that bitch again, but
Obviously you like what you got. We got really gun on the left side. And we got helicopter coming in.
Enemy chopper east of your position.
Oh, shit, we got a room. Where's that go? What up? Hardcore?
We have just
Uh-huh.
received control of
You going in hardcore or you scared?
We got a jumper for the helipad. Jump on the helipad.
Which helipad?
On the mountain side, on the mountain. Yeah, buddy, I'm good, man. I'm good, I'm good.
He's kind of sexually special.
Yes, he is.
I'm what? There's somebody found my beacon. Who the fuck keep destroying my shit?
He got weed, but he's sexually frustrated.
We've lost control
Yeah,
of objective
they're
Alpha.
still
Just
sexually
lost
frustrated.
objective
They can't
Alpha.
have it.
Be advised. We now control
Well,
objective
nice.
Charlie.
Hey, Lambo.
Hmm?
I got a question for you. So you know what blue balls feel like?
Move, guys. Let me blow it to the C4. Move, move.
Damn, I know who lost feel like that.
Move.
I've been like,
4
yeah, I know.
устанавливаем.
Move! There you go. Marcus. Where you look for? It's time for your dinner, you know? Exactly. Time for your dinner. No cheese in there, man. I go shopping. Make it, man. Pause the game and go make it damn for Pete.
Oh shit.
Well done. We neutralized objective Delta. Spotted enemy light armored vehicle east of where you are.
Hey,
Why is not
you
that?
want to go to the area?
Oh, he's not dead, man. I hit that dude straight in his leg with a freaking hell. What?
Yeah, that's what you
Huh?
thought.
Hey, Lambo.
Yeah.
Nobody want to come up here and play with me.
Where you at? Marcus, go on the man.
I'm in a jet. You got two tanks on the helipad by the water. Quickly.
I need a mechanic over here.
This is Jama.
There is an enemy soldier north of your location.
Guy on the left. Nice, nice, nice.
He said, should I wear this 9
I keep it
with
saying
these
that.
high tops?
We've
Yeah.
taken
Should I
control
wear
of
this Mac
objective
11 with
Echo.
these low tops?
Due north of your location, there appears to be an enemy tank.
We Russian.
Russian real life, U.S. citizen.
Hey, look, I thought we were gonna make this guy pay right there. Whoa, whoa. Hey, Jet.
Вражеский джет.
I fell like 14 feet and fucking died. I wasn't even. Wow, what a bitch
Objective
ass
Bravo
game.
neutralized.
We
Objective
just
Bravo
don't 14 feet in real life and don't die.
Exactly, I did die.
Got a tank. Alright, I'm trying to hit this tank with this shit.
now control objective Bravo.
Got a hit, but I got sniped.
How many of us have them? Friends.
We got Hilo here, need to be no fly zone. Where the fuck did he disappear to?
Friends.
Holy shit.
Lost objective Echo.
Quit shooting me. I didn't.
Okay,
I
shit! Shit! Jump in that Elo. Jump in Elo and die, motherfuckers. Dude, I went right beside the enemies that didn't see me, you know. Look at him. Look at him. I'm gonna take his tag. Look at him. Look at him. Look. Don't kill it. Don't. No fly zone. Look at that shit. I got it. Holy shit. I'm the best. I had to put some slams on it. Dude, I went right by the enemies. I could have taken the tag and just put the chopper, the slams on it. I just walked the fuck over and run behind the building, and they're all along, and you almost gave it away. Yeah, you almost gave the fucking plan away, but it worked. You got love at the back. Hit him. Got a hit for 23. Missed. Shit. Ah, the freaking Rosins. Yeah. I gotta jump in the freaking chopper that slams just took. Yeah, dude, I wish I had that on fucking video. Oh my god. What the hell is that noise? Yeah, whatever too, man. That damn guy killed me just now. So yeah, whatever moment too. Oh. Marcus! For fuck's sake, man. Put up all the damn game, I'm liberty that bone up. With that name, with that fucking name. Damn, blueberries, idiots, man. Oh, I got slams again. Damn, blueberry killed me with the damn freaking AC adapter thing. Bitch. Damn idiots.
We have just lost objective Echo.
This 40 on me, it looked very nice.
We got link up, we got tank, we got tank. What markers? In the fridge. This boy, man. What? What are you looking for? Nah, man, the guy making that toast, but tell him turn and pause the game and go make the toast. Him sitting playing the game and let the toast get overburned. Then they're gonna ask me where's the butter, and the butter is in the fridge, right in front of him. But because he's rushing to go and play the game, yeah, you don't wanna spend time to me. Oh, come on, you know, kids.
It's fucked up. It's fucked up.
Move up my way.
Taking objective Echo. Yours to your position. Hostile enemy sniper.
Whoa, what the hell was that? And that guy right there. Hit him. Oh! Lay down, boy. You saw that shit? Oh shit, behind us on the hill. They're going for the elo. Holy shit. See the guys here. Hey, friend are coming through. Give me a tag. Come on, don't shoot me, blueberry idiot. You see, oh my god, this guy's just desperate for a kill. I'm behind the guy and he's shooting at the guy still to kill me. Ain't this an idiot? Oh, good luck for me. Found medic and I found ammo. Hell yeah.
Objective Echo was neutralized.
And I'm still reloading this small. Shit. Who wants to small up the ass? Come on, you infidels! Show yourselves. Oh shit, there's a guy right there. You want to? Oh, come on, they killed him for my smoker there. Jeez.
Come on, you stinger shooting bitch. You got all y'all motherfuckers know how to do is shoot fucking stingers?
Oh, I should get a 3 times for a scope on it for a little bit of mid-range distance. Ah, shit, I prefer this one.
I've spotted a hostile anti-tank soldier, due west of your position.
Delta. Delta, where the hell is Delta? Alpha that way. Oh, Delta is over there. Man, I have to swim all in the water and shit.
Advised, we now control objective Echo. Listen up, we have just neutralized objective Foxtrot. Radio in, there's enemy taking down to your location. Keep this objective safe.
Oh shit! Shit! Yes, I see you. I feel you, nigga. I feel you.
West of your location.
Oh shit! 2 guys in on Delta. And he still sniped me without taking a freaking bullet.
That's because he's a ninja. Hell,
Yeah.
he's a ninja. Hell.
Hope he jump on a snowmobile and find them slams I put down for his ninja ass.
I got a helicopter.
Lord, what you talking about helicopter? No, I don't fly a helicopter in hardcore. I wanna shoot you, Blueberry, in the back of the head. Open the goddamn door, man. Let the guys take the elo, you stupid idiot. Yeah, now you're gonna open it. Look at that. Come on, what the? What the hell?
That's what
Being
I'm saying.
goddamn cover and I still got hit. Hey, can't nobody. I can't spawn nowhere with it.
Objective Delta is now under our control. I need
Get out of the way,
to
man.
right
Move.
now.
Kill that
Captain Underpants.
bitch, man. It was so close, he got me off guard. I've not been in the hills.
Is you mad, bro?
Be advised, objective Delta has been lost. Внимание, все слушайте. South of your position, there's enemy LAV.
Hey, Lord, I got hammer. Oh, come on. I'm in parachute and I fucking still got injured. Yo, this game is shit sometimes, I swear down it is. I parachuted while parachute landing on the ground and I take 3/4 of my health. What the fucking Blueberry shooting that shit at me, man?
I ain't a blueberry.
I want to shoot you in the face.
Yeah, I'm not a blueberry. I'll shoot you in your face, bitch. Who got a big
Vehicle
gun?
into your position.
I don't. No. Level.
Keep talking that shit. You fucker, I'm gonna turn my back. You asshole.
You made me scared, okay? I'm
I'm gonna turn my back.
You fucking
asshole,
started me. I thought you were gonna do it.
Damn.
You fucking, yeah, you can't run up on Crip though. You can't run up on Crips, man.
Oh shit.
Fire, we shoot. We ain't scared. We shoot.
I don't like this fucking doorway right here. I don't know what to expect. So the tank just drove past. There's another one. Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Come on, man. Who's in the helo? Lord, take on them goddamn tanks on the freaking ground, man.
I'm working on it.
Man, what do you think I'm paying your ass for, man? Get your do your job, boy.
I gotta go repair.
Game's gonna be tight, man. Tight. Try not to die. If you die, don't spawn back in. You know that, right? Yeah, I got Fat Cat, you bitch. You had me 4-0, you bastard. Well, we got 2 laps coming over. Hey, 2 laps coming across this goddamn pond.
Oh shit, I died. I fucking died. I can't.
I'm running for life. Don't spawn in.
Обнаружен вражеский танк.
I'm getting fucked up right now.
I've taken objective Charlie. East of your location, there's an enemy machine gun.
24-37. Stay dead, man. Stay dead. Stay dead. If you spawn, you lose this shit. I'm telling you.
Обнаружен вражеский
If you spawn, you lose this shit. I'm telling you. I gotta hit. Whoa! Get down. Get back down. Stay dead, boys. Stay dead. I'm trying to get a helo to make it count. What? Yeah, we got this bitch in the bag. Look at them jumping off over there. Oh, I'm taking fire. We won.
We won.
Oh, unbelievable. Came back from a low ass ticket and won it. Yeah. Yeah, listen to a Lambo, eh? If you spawn in, we lose. That'll be 1 ticket. Okay, shit, I need to make some dinner. I need to rinse this plates up and shit. Man, I'm leaving like a freaking... No.
No, I'm
I'm the British.
I'm a red-blooded American. No,
He's a Yankee.
No. Wait. Only phones I'm... Look, only one phone I'm gonna fuck is the phone limit. Other than that, no.
Lord sounds like Johnny. Oh, Johnny said he'll be working for a few hours today. Should be on.
I ain't played with Johnny in a while.
It was on last night, innit? Where are you from? East Anglia?
Oh, Negro.
Cappy.
Is it? I'm from Nicaragua.
I got Indian and Negro.
I'm black, white, Spanish, and Samoan.
You're mixed, man. You're confused.
I ain't confused. I know what I am. I'm a
No. You're confused.
I'm a TRU.
I'm a PIMP.
I'm a CRIP, cuz.
Should I go sniping?
Dang, I
Yeah,
gotta
let's
keep
snipe.
equipping.
What map is this? What map is this? Is this? Oh shit, I'm sniping. Yeah, yeah. Anybody want to BTR spawning on me? Oh shit. On a rock and a hard place. Turn.
Mix it between a rock and a hard.
I decided to take the fucking hillside. I don't know where the hell I'm going. I don't have bearings where I'm going. I'm just driving this
I was
shit.
between the butt cheek and soft face. Good last.
Don't get too soft, man. You may fall asleep on that shit.
I was between two pussy lips. That's all I know.
Trying to make a nigga jealous, huh?
Fucking no booty hole last night. I was in some pussy. I was getting some right. I fucked this bitch in the ass last week.
I was pissed.
Yeah, I really did. This big booty white bitch. Yeah, I fucked her ass last week.
I was in a coma.
Oh, douchebag. Doucher.
Come on, go in the house right there,
She's
man.
clean, girl. You just gotta make sure you don't eat that for a while. Like you can't eat that for like 3 hours. And you gotta make sure you shit.
Come on, move!
Hey, this white girl like the pleasure, my dude. She'll take a laxative just so she'll get more shit on your head. Like he laughing at that.
Yeah, I saw him late.
I love booty, man. That shit feel good, bro.
Hold on, guys, give me just a second. I'm just.
Yeah, they see true, man.
Citrus. She. I bet you she gonna say something different.
If she does, nigga, I still hit. Fuck
What
out
you
here,
say?
I still hit it. Fuck
What you
you.
say? I don't give a F. You wanna walk and talk and say I can't have. I got mine. You go get yours.
Exactly.
Hold on, guys. Just making some cooking in the kitchen.
I stay in Washington.
Oh, my brother's coming there.
Did your mother like to get fucked in the booty too?
Huh?
I said, would you be mad if I got her in the booty too?
My brother, I said. Hold on, guys.
Right? She a grown ass woman. It's like I had this one dude tell me, man, your mom's kind of cute. This is back in the day. I told her, man, she's a grown ass woman. Try to go get it, bro.
Oh, hell no. That's the limit, dude. My mama's off limit, man. My mom's is off limit. I would fuck a nigga.
I love grown women.
Hey, Lord.
They know how to tickle the ball sack while they deep throat and shit. They
All right, guys. Remember on YouTube, right? Remember you on YouTube, right?
Bro, what are you getting spanked by these old bitches?
Remember on YouTube, right? Careful what you say, right? All right, let's go. I'm back in. I'm back in. All right, I'm back. Now, where you guys at? Charlie? You got Tank. And enemies on in front to Delta.
Man, you can find me on YouTube fucking the shit out your wife and girlfriend.
Long dick style.
Look, I go around.
Long. Hey, what's up? The other day when I was taking the piss out of my friends.
I go around in different states, fucking dudes, hoes.
I was like, I want to have your wife. Long dick style. Don't laugh in the head off.
Yep. They call me Daddy Dick Darden.
Like the server says, Captain dicking him down. Oh, he's not dead. Got you, bastard. Okay, I'm squad leader again. Guys, quickly, I'm gonna do this shit quickly.
Don't tell me you got into like an orgy or some shit.
Squad is private. Hey, we're losing Delta. How we getting it? How we got it?
Objective Bravo has just been
You
neutralized.
just gotta let it happen. You look at that, maybe the mom will want to get on it, man. I mean, I've sat in a room with a daughter and a mother, And I daughter whipped my dick out in front of her, and I got both of them to come get me head, so I don't know. Shit just happens, you know? Shit just happens when you let it happen.
That's nasty.
Oh,
You're going to hell. You guys going straight to hell. That's some
I'm bringing
nasty
her ass
shit.
with me just so I can have company.
Fuck yeah.
Have
I
eyes
thought
on
I was
hostile
there. I
enemy.
just knocked off
Just
two
west of where
first
you are.
cousins at the same day.
I didn't take the goddamn
Right.
objective, guys. What the hell are you over there doing?
I knocked twin sisters like a month ago. Yeah. At the same fucking time. Yeah, at the same time. That's what I love about Washington is every girl out here, no matter who they are, they could be a Christian Bible freak. Huh?
Objective Echo.
Hey, would you guys
No,
stop talking
no,
that
I'm-
shit and kill the motherfuckers on Echo?
Nah, man, I'm cool. I'd rather talk about some booty right now.
I can't comment because I'm live. I can't comment about that stuff. I'm live. They banned my channel.
I'm not even tripping.
Hey, guy behind you over there, you talking about that shit.
There's an enemy helicopter.
Ah,
He's dead, ain't he?
parachuters coming in. Right by the flag, by the truck. In
Oh, I
that
got
building.
sniped finally. Oh, what
Yeah.
the fuck? How did he hit me from there?
Yeah, the booty shot you, innit?
Yeah, it did.
That's called gonorrhea. That is called
That's called diarrhea, not gonorrhea. you
gonorrhea,
fucking moron.
man. Gonorrhea. They shoot you with the gonorrhea, not the diarrhea.
I spotted
Rooftop.
enemy shot.
Sniper rooftop.
She shot me with a dirty Harry. A dirty Harry.
Magnum.
Man. Dirty Harry.
We're going to Charlie. Yeah, well, I'm going to Charlie now.
I heard one time this dude was about to fuck this one bitch in the ass. He said he pulled down the pants and spread her the cheeks to put it in. And she was hairy, like hairy booty hole. I'm talking about hairy. Like
Cobwebs!
you had to go in there with a a machete first just to put it out right.
I spotted a helicopter on the east of your location.
You're some nasty ass motherfuckers. You know that, right?
His name.
Look, I look in nasty. I don't know what the fuck you talking.
Where the
This
hell
nigga
he
on
go?
top of the motherfucker, huh?
Where the fuck did this guy go?
Yeah, what?
Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys.
45 rule.
Hello?
Last time I had sex with a 45-year-old or any like close to that age was like.
Hold on, guys. Shit, my doorbell just
All I
went
can
off.
say, me, it's different for me because I look like a grown-ass man. Like I look a lot much older than I am. But I'd say
Echo.
they love honesty and a man that can just take charge.
Hey, what
Like,
happened just
as long
now?
as you come up to her and you just start talking to her and shit like that, and not really giving her an option, she's gonna go for it. You gotta single everybody out. No, not like aggressively walk up to her and say, "Bitch, you gonna fuck me." You gotta walk up to her and be like, "Yeah, you know what the fuck I can do, bitch. Why don't you find out?"
Got it.
Yeah, nah, hell nah. You don't sit there and tell you we love you. You sit there and tell them I'm gonna fuck you good, bitch.
Yeah, you might get knocked the fuck out.
But it's also like, look, you also gotta talk to the right one. Some women are different. Some women you gotta tell them you love them, or you'll at least try to have a relationship, and then you fuck them.
Ah, yeah. Go and try it, man. You might get knocked out.
Hey, but hey, did you
They ring
hit?
for me.
Yeah, you did. Mission accomplished. If you hit the pussy, you won.
Or it brings
Case
me.
closed. I don't care. Broken nose or not, nigga, you hit the pussy.
Nothing. What the hell?
You know how many women sent their brothers or ex-boyfriends or boyfriends to come fight
What the
their
fuck?
I've had a husband come try to fight their he lost.
Ah, Steve. Where you go?
Bruh, it's bad when a bitch sends her husband.
Campers, man. This guy
Send her
is camp.
husband. When you send your husband and he get knocked out, bitch, you definitely need to stand.
Hold on, guys, hold on. Okay. All right, Lord. Sorry, I had to mute them guys for a bit. Hey, problems is in the game. Lord, you hear me?
Yeah.
Problems is in the game.
Okay.
He just killed me. I'm gonna hunt that motherfucker now. There's a guy straight ahead, 12 o'clock where I'm aiming, right behind the house. Whoa. Somebody died right by me.
Like that.
Neutralize objective Delta. Due east of where you are at, appears to be an enemy sniper.
Why did I reload? How bad I be?
Objective Bravo is neutralized. Taking control of objective Bravo. Hostile tank spotted, just west of where you're at. I have eyes on enemy LAV, north of your location. Be advised, objective Echo has just been neutralized. We now control objective Echo. Affirmative. West of where you are, there's a hostile sniper.
Bombo clot. Oh, I miss him head, man. Miss him head, yo. Miss him head. Shit.
God. How?
I miss somebody head top too. Where's that one, Chris? I'm gonna do that, Chris. God damn. Whoa!
The person?
Enemy tank east of your location.
Jesus Christ. Ooh, I'm gonna love. Holy shit.
That was amazing, man.
There's something underneath Delta. That beacon there. On the Delta, on the Delta. And the tank coming in on the road ahead of you.
Objective Bravo. 我发现了敌军坦克。我发现了敌军坦克。
Oh shit. Come on, man, for fuck's sake. Alright. Motherfucker.
Objective Alpha is now under our control.
One main person I'm looking for, that's fucking problems.
Objective Bravo has been neutralized.
Hey, my favorite part though.
And it's a 50? Big ass titty.
God damn Japanese. This freaking mortar. Mortar incoming. Oh shit. Japanese guy from Bravo that's dropping mortar. There's some guys coming across.
Oh, on my body.
Got hits on one. On your body. Where are you dead? Bitch. Ah.
Be advised, we have neutralized objective Bravo.
The Jeep right here. Whoa!
They did.
Just west of your cruise location.
Whoa, what the fuck shooting at me? Oh, who?
It's Tommy Shaw.
Listen up. Objective Echo is neutralized. Objective Echo is neutralized.
Oh shit, guy right there. Mr. Parker. Hello, Mrs. Parker.
Control of Objective Echo.
You made B?
I'm an E.
I ain't made D.
Where is he at?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, beacon.
I made the guy.
We've neutralized Objective Bravo.
Uh-huh.
I went to the event. I was trying to meet the females, but I wasn't worried about the dudes. Fuck that. I should be trying to get backstage.
Yeah.
I know. I found that out the hard way.